back to another vlog. Today is, what's today? The day after the new year. 1st. January 2nd. Yesterday was 1st. It's too early for me to be forgetting it, but anyways, today is January 2nd, the day after the new year. I wanted to just come here and welcome you guys and tell you guys a happy new year. This is our year of supernatural breakthrough, blessings, double blessings. You guys should put more in the comment section. What year is this to you? But to me and my family and my household and my YouTube and all my friends, both in person and online on social media, this is our year of supernatural blessings, a supernatural breakthrough. All the good things you could think of is going to happen this year. Everything that we have lost in the past year, this year we're going to recover them in tenfold. Anyways, I'm done. I made my water. Last time I forgot to take water to work. I don't know what I was thinking, but we have water. We have a protein coffee. I also got my food in my cute little lunch bag. What else did I forget? I just hope I don't forget anything, because lately it's either I forget my protein coffee, or I forget my water, or I forget my food. The other day I even forgot food. It was that bad. So let me put on my glasses. Then today I just wanted to be casual, so I wore a blue polo t-shirt and my jean that very soon, I feel before the middle of this year, or in fact before the first quarter of this year, I will not be able to fit my clothes again. So all these clothes I've been holding on to, I won't be able to fit them anymore. I didn't know if I told you guys the first time I said I was going to stop losing weight, but to be honest, I'm still on the weight. Even I'm not tracking my food, but I'm still losing weight, and it looks like I'm still going to keep going. My body wants to keep losing. I just feel if my body gets to where it wants to stop, it will stop on its own, because I'm not eating too much. I'm not eating too little compared to when I was losing weight. Now I even eat dessert, like I eat cake. You guys saw that I made protein cupcakes. I had that for dessert. I always have something after my meal, like sweet cookies or something. So for me to still be losing weight, even with eating all those things, I just think my body wants to still keep going, and I'll let it go. But yeah, I'll let it keep going, and it looks like we're not going to be wearing our, what is it called? We're not going to be wearing our sorry, it's dark in my bathroom. I want to quickly grab my Bluetooth for my I wanted to grab the Bluetooth for my camera, so I can take a thumbnail or something. So yeah, it's looking like we're not going to be wearing most of this my clothes. I've been holding on to it. I've not bought anything, even when Zara was having sale, they had Zara sale. I didn't buy anything. I didn't just want to buy again. I don't feel like, this year I'm not so crazy into clothes like I was previous year. So yeah, rather I want to invest more on like I want to see how investing. I want to invest more. Okay, I want to invest more in investing. If you guys know the investments, I've been looking into like high yield savings account. In fact, I don't want to be talking financial things on this channel for now. You guys, can someone help me hold this? Let me take a thumbnail. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and talk to you guys. I just feel I should maybe if I have enough money, I shouldn't buy a lot of clothes, because clothes is something that it goes out of style. No matter even the good ones you have, you get tired of wearing them even if it doesn't go out of style. So it's not something to be buying a lot. That's what I've just come to the conclusion of. So that's why I don't buy a lot of clothes anymore, and I don't think even if these clothes ends up getting to a point where it becomes too obvious that it's too big for me, I might not still buy a lot. I might just buy one or two and just keep mixing up like that. But yeah, I don't plan for my wardrobe to grow bigger than what it is, because now I still have like 2 bags that I still have to give out to a donation center after giving out a lot before. So okay, hey friends, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Stella. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. If not, you're welcome back again. Today is the day before the new year. Happy New Year in advance. I'm sure you're going to see this vlog already in the new year. But yeah, Happy New Year in advance. I also wanted to show you guys what I'm making today. I'm making protein muffins. So tomorrow I'll be making jollof rice, and I just want to make the protein muffins today, just so tomorrow I don't have a lot to do. What else? Yeah, my package in last vlog, I told you guys that I ordered something from Hobby Lobby. It came, and now I have two of the vases, two of the, what is it called, frames. One is in the living room there on the floor. I kept the other vase by the doorway. I think they call that thing, I don't know. Anyways, I kept it there because something in me I just can't return it. Okay, so I'm going to use it when I move to a bigger house. Of course, I can use one in one living room, put the other one in second living room. For now, I might even end up keeping one in my bedroom or bathroom or somewhere, but we're keeping them. Okay, I'm not going to return it. I got a couple of stuff from Walmart, which I've already arranged. Then I ordered things from my Sassoon. I think that's how they are called. Let me put you guys here, just because I'm too lazy to get a tripod. Just pray I don't cry premium tears when this thing falls down. 2 weeks ago, I went to this African store to get stuff, and today I ended up ordering things from them. I wanted them to ship it because from my house to the African store, it's not that far. I think it's about 20 minutes or 30 something minutes with traffic. But again, I just didn't feel like driving that far today. Just want to chill. So I ordered things to come. Let me show you guys what the box looks like. So this is what it looks like. So I ordered this Nigerian butter, but this is the low fat. I ordered fresh tomatoes, which is quite a lot for the jollof rice. Bell peppers for the jollof rice. This is a lot too. Then I ordered the main thing that made me make this order was the goat meat that I will use tomorrow for the jollof rice. So, but we're not making this today. I'm not cooking this today. I'm just going to put everything in the fridge, and tomorrow I'll make my jollof rice. And what I want to make today is the protein muffin that I told you guys about. I'm using Kodiak. I'm using zero Oikos. Come back to me. Oikos zero fat, non-fat yogurt. This is the banana flavor, and even this Kodiak protein pancake muffin. This is also the banana flavor, and I'm using this 42 grams of complete protein. Then I got this muffin packs that comes with like silicone muffin packs, just so they're easy to come out. I just put just a little bit of what's it called? Almond. Is that almond? No, those are not almond. Those are walnuts. Just a little bit. Those, and I'll put just one banana. I'll just chop it and throw inside. It's a quick one, nothing serious, no measurement. I'll just pour everything inside the bowl. Hopefully I'm able to show you guys I do it, but trust the process. You know what? I'm going to put this meat in the freezer so I can use this box as my tripod. I'm just lazy, too lazy to go and get tripod. Welcome back to another day. Today we have some returns to do. I don't know if I told you guys, but I ended up going to Sephora last night and I got the under eye patch cream. Not cream, what is that thing called again? Let me show you guys. This is dark. Better. What did I get? Okay, here it is. Here it is. So I got this tropical faded under eye patch. To be honest, I think what this thing does is to brighten under your eyes. But I don't have dark under eyes. What I just had was inflamed, puffy under eyes, which I think is even getting better. I think it's better. Naturally, me, I've always had a puffy face, but with cheekbones. So I think it's getting better. It was just that week of stress. I had too much stress that period, so it was affecting me. But other than that, I'm fine. So that was what I got this cute Sephora stuff for yesterday, but I'll be trashing that. And I have a couple of stuff I want to return to Amazon. So we're going to which Amazon location is closer to me here now? I don't know, but we're going to look for. I have one in the car plus this one. So we're going to a UPS location. Oh, this parking garage is so cold. So my niece, I spoke with my niece this morning, and she's like, I look slim. Like, she doesn't like it. She wants me looking the way I used to look, you know. She's used to seeing me big, as in the way I used to look. I don't know if it was big, but I know I was bigger than I am now. So she's like, Auntie, I don't like it. And I'm like, I understand. I understand. You don't have to like it. Surely when you're used to seeing someone, you know, a certain way, it's hard to get used to seeing them it's different way, you know. So me, I understand definitely. I'm not even angry with anybody telling me, oh, you don't look good like you used to. I get it. It's you're going to get used to seeing me like this. Just know that I'll never go back to my former body, okay? Let's go. Okay, we're back. Just too lazy to get a tripod, so you guys should work with me. I got some coleslaw. This one is already chopped and sliced from Walmart. And I got this. So the one I got last time, I over dried it in the microwave. Sorry, in the oven, and I don't like it. So whenever it's too dried, I don't like it. So I had to go get a new one. That I'll be eating for a few days because this is going to last me like a few days. I don't think it's going to last me just one. And last time I got a very big one like this too, and I just forgot it in the oven. It became very dry. I don't like it when it's very dry because it gives me headache when I'm chewing it. So I'm going to prep this and put it in the oven and dry it for just a few minutes, or maybe highest I'm going to dry for 15 minutes just to get a little crust on the side. And I'm going to eat my first meal for the day, which is 1 p.m. So I'll talk to you guys later. I wanted to show you guys what the meat looks like. I already put it in this Ziploc bag because I'll be putting it in the freezer. But this is how it is. So it's barely even grilled. Like, this is how I like it. I don't want it too dry. Let me take one and just show you guys. See the fat. This is the fat that I like. So the last one I did, this is the kind of one I like, the one that still has the fat and just a little grilled around the edges. So the last one I did was too dry, so I have to trash everything. So this one will last me at least 3 or 4 days. You know, when I wake up in the morning, I take it with my protein coffee, I eat it with food. 3 or 4 days, this should be good. Yeah, I still have my candles from Christmas. I need to start burning them. I burn it every night when I'm home because, to be honest, if not that, I work every day, so the only time I'm home is just at night. So I burn it every night, but we still have to finish. At least we use the whole of January to finish it. Then I get a new one for spring. So yeah, that's the update on the meat. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm done steaming it. So I steam it with our usual curry, thyme, ginger, garlic, just a little bit, and pepper, enough otarodo or atarodo pepper, which is spicy pepper. And I let the water dry, get everything, all the stock soak back into the meat, and just put it in the grill and the oven and grill it for like 15-20 minutes, sometimes even lesser if I don't want it too dry. I don't like it too dry. When it's too dried, then the fun is out of it. So excuse me, I just finished eating. I ate rice and the coleslaw I got, and one of these big meats. So, and my protein coffee, which I still have some there. I'm just chilling in the parlor. But once I finish yeah, I'll go pick up my kids later on in the evening. But that's the update for now. I'm also thinking of editing this vlog. Maybe I'm going to edit this vlog. Let me just end it and edit it, or maybe continue. But in case I end it here, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you do enjoy random vlogs like this, let me know. I really don't know what is in this vlog. I know I was filming a vlog about my sofa. We got a couch and everything, and I wanted to return. They said no, so I'm going to keep it. I like it. I think I've decided to keep it. Also, I wanted to sell. Let me show you guys quickly. So I wanted to sell this one. I want to give out this. I no longer need this mirror. I used it in my last apartment. Also these two, I didn't want it, but it's looking like I'm going to keep it. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace, and I have like over 20 people asking me to come and pick up this thing. But with the way people are asking me, it's like, why are you selling this thing when people want it? So I might end up putting it on this wall. I don't know. I just wanted to put a very big art wall here, but I'm thinking if I start going that route, it's going to cost me money, and I'm not even about to put so much money into this apartment. So we're just going to we might end up putting this stuff here on this wall, and I see that the color matches so well with my kitchen stool. So yeah, so that might be what I'll end up doing, because it's not even funny the way people were asking me about this frame, and I'm like, you want to sell the frame, why people are rushing from far and wide just to come and get it. So now I know the value, because everybody wants it, right? See, I'm looking bored, but I have my weaving on. So that's it. I think that's it for this vlog, guys. I will just chill, enjoy my afternoon, and then I will edit this vlog. I'll use this socket here to edit my vlog and put it up for you guys. Let me know if you enjoy my vlogs. If you want me to make more random vlogs like this, chill vlogs, let me know. For now, I'm just relaxing, watching some of my favorite YouTubers, and I'll see you guys later. This is at the moment I dream of, you know, kidsless, stressless, workless. To be honest, there's something to do, but I refuse to work. There's something to do at every time in this house, but today I said no, I'm not going to work. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to relax. If I want to work, I have things to put in the laundry, but I'll wait for my kids. They'll come back and wash. They'll come back and do laundry. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Please, as I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.